Good morning. There's a question on rate. We want to look at it together. A car travels a distance of 112 kilometers at an average speed of 70 kilometers per hour. It then travels further for 60 kilometers at an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Calculate for the entire journey the total time taken. Let's look at the solution together. We have our solution. This is a typical question under rate concerning average speed. There is a distance, there is a speed. When it comes to speed, there are three items involved: the speed itself, the distance involved, and then the time used to cover such a distance. So we have average speed giving us average speed. It is the total distance over the time taken. From this question, there are two distances. The car first traveled at a certain distance using a certain speed, and then it went further another distance using another speed as well. So from here, for the first part of the question, we have distance given, we have speed given. What is left? We have time taken. So for the first part, you can say that time taken, from this formula, you can write it as time taken equals the total distance over the average speed. Average speed. From here, since the question is demanding for the total time taken for the entire journey, let's find the total time taken for the first part of the journey. Let's call that time 1. Time 1, the distance for the first part of the journey is 112 kilometers, all divided by the speed for is 70 kilometers per hour. Now, so computing this gives, that is 112 divided by 70, that is 1.6 hour. That is for the time 1. Let's go ahead and find time 2. Now, that is for the second part of the journey. For the second part of the journey, we have a total distance of 6. So it then travels further for 60 kilometers. Question is 60 kilometers. So that is 60 kilometers all over. The speed for the second part is 50 kilometers per hour. Now this dividing 60 by 50, that gives us 1.2 hour. Now we can have the total time taken for the whole journey. Total time taken, that is, I have 1.2 hour plus 1.6 hour. So putting these two together, that will give us, that is 1.2 hour plus this one will give us 2.8 hour. Now 2.8 hour, what are we getting over here? That is 2 hours 48 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you another time. Bye bye.